Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Minecraft dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully, we're going to be playing some Minecraft. Even though that is kind of what we're doing right now, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 brown wool. You want to place 2 of them just like that. Then you're going to need fur anvils. You want to place 1 of those on each side just like that, guys. Now you just want to go jump on up, crouch down, and then place 1 brown wool right there and then 1 brown wool right there. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, and then 1 anvil on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down to the other side, and then you just want to go ahead and place 2 brown wool and then 1 anvil right there on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and crouch down and then put 2 brown wool in the middle, and boom, you are finished, guys. Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing, guys? Now it's time to go ahead and like this baby up with a flint and steel, but not before you hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. Now you can go ahead and like this baby up, guys. And wow, don't that look absolutely amazing, guys? Now it's time to go ahead and head on into this dimension, guys, and see what waits for us, guys. And oh my god, guys, this brings back so many memories for me, guys. Wow, I believe this is the TU-13. It might be 13 tutorial, guys. This was actually like the demo. This was the demo version when you got just the demo of the game and you couldn't actually make it out of Minecraft. I used to play on this for hours, guys. Like hours building stuff, hoping to get past, just hoping to get past this staircase, guys. I did it a couple times, but by the time I actually got past this treasure chest, like my time was up because they only gave you like a 30-minute time limit. And then your time was up and you couldn't play anymore, guys, and that made me really sad. Like, that really did make me sad. But then when I bought the full version of Minecraft, that made me really happy, guys, because then I could come in here and I could adventure and I could head down there with my boats and swim with my friends, guys, and also check out all the cool animals and also come in here and like make some, you know, like enchantments and whatnot with this enchantment table. And it was a real blast, guys. It was a real blast. It was real fun. I used to grab this boat. I remember I used to grab this boat and grab this fishing rod, and my friends would be upset because then they would have to head down there to the chest and try to grab a fishing boat and whatnot, guys. It made them really, really angry, guys. And I even remember one time my friend got so upset that he actually ended up breaking my boat, and I had to end up killing him for that one. But back in our day, there wasn't fish in the water, which was pretty crazy, guys. But right here is where he used to have to get his boat because he wasn't as smart as me, guys. He wasn't as smart as me, and he didn't know how to win the race. But one time he did tell me, I got really sad because he told me that if I wanted to grow my animals, that I would have to put TNT down. And he actually put TNT down, guys, like this, just like this. I kid you not. He put it down just like this, right in front of all my animals. And he said, once he lights it in front of them, watch. He said, once I light it in front of them, they will double. Your animals will double. And then he lit it up and boom. I'm like, oh, what happened to my animals? All my animals are gone. What did you do? And he's like, no, come back in a couple days and your animals will double. And I'm like, I hope so. I hope so. So I came back in a couple days and it still looked like this. Nothing changed. Nothing at all. I think he knew what he was doing, guys. I think he was trolling me. After that, I didn't talk to him for a while, guys. But then he said he was sorry and he came back and he fixed it. So that did fix stuff, guys. But I wouldn't trust him anymore with TNT. That's for sure, guys. But this is obviously how you make an iron golem and how you make a snow golem, which is pretty cool, guys. Which is pretty cool. And I do believe this is like little castles up in here, guys. I used to give these castles off to my friends. Like, there's different ones. And we also used to have fights right here, guys, with like zombies and creepers and whatnot. We'd actually kill them from up here, guys. And then we would head down and take their XP. That's a real good way to get XP, to be honest, guys, to be honest. But right here used to be our houses, guys, like these little... They're more like... I say they're more like hotels than really, you know, like a castle. But I guess you could kind of count it as a castle because it does have like that kind of setup. But I'm going to go ahead and blow it up with TNT, guys, because I just want to see what it looks like when you blow it up with TNT. So let's go ahead and light it and run for our lives. And boom! Wow! Oh my god! Whoa! Did some TNT hit us from behind? I don't even know how that happened, but wow! Look how much damage that did. It's all fun and games until somebody shows up with some TNT, guys, and ruins it for you. But like I said, I used to play on this map for hours. Even after I bought Minecraft, I used to play on this for hours with my friends, just having fun, guys. And I think that's what you guys should really do, is you guys should go back to the tutorial with your friends if you don't have a Minecraft currently, and just have a blast, guys, because you guys can build so much stuff in here, guys, because it's already equipped with everything you need. So if you guys actually do want to come to this, just go ahead and make the frame like I did and everything, guys. But wow, this brings back so many good memories for me, guys. So many good memories, and I love the Minecraft sign. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Watch, I'm about to leave out with the biggest bye ever. Bye. Told you so.